Healthy and fruity, coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic. Today I get to share my favorite fruit salad. This is the fruit salad I always make up here. Gets rave reviews. People love it and you're gonna love it too. Before I show you how to make this delicious, healthy salad, how about I ask you to do something at the end of this video? Head to weekendatthecottage.com, subscribe to our website. You can do the same on our YouTube channel, subscribe to it as well. And if you like this video, drop us comments, give us a thumbs up, and click that bell button for notifications. Finally, when you do make this healthy fruit salad, take a picture of it, post it using hashtag #WeekendAtTheCottage on your favorite socials like Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. This salad is so healthy and fruity, but it's also pretty easy to make. Let me show you just how easy it is to make. We're gonna start by taking a cutting board. I'm placing a bunch of mint on my cutting board. We're gonna roughly chop it. Notice I'm dividing that quantity, about half a cup of chopped mint. I'm dividing it in half, place it to the side. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make the dressing. That's right, a dressing for a fresh fruit salad. It's mojito inspired without the booze. You're gonna love it. We're taking half a cup of cherries. For the most part, I use frozen cherries, so this is a great reason to keep a bag of frozen cherries in the freezer. We're taking half a cup of frozen cherries into the canister of an immersion blender. I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of freshly squeezed orange juice. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey. You're probably wondering why, because the next ingredient is fresh lime. The juice from 1 lime, and this honey kind of cuts the zing of the lime and makes it perfect in our dressing. Last ingredient is that first quantity of reserved mint. Place the mint into the canister, grab your immersion blender, and you're just gonna zip it up. Our fruity dressing looks good, it's very fragrant. We can place it to the side. Now it's time to pull together the actual fruit for the salad. Although I'm using my favorites here, feel free to substitute and add your favorite fruit into the mix. I'm taking a large bowl, I'm adding 1 cup of cantaloupe, a cup of honeydew, cup of mango. I love green grapes. I've split them in half, 1 cup quantity. Chopped fresh strawberries, fresh blueberries, and then blackberries. You're looking for about 6 cups total of fresh fruit. I want to do a quick stir just so you can see this very pretty color combination. Looks so appetizing. Now it's time to get dressed. We're gonna add half the quantity of the mojito dressing, toss everything together, and then a little sprinkle of the remaining chopped mint. You're ready to enjoy. When I serve this, I like to portion it out into individual bowls and then serve the remaining mojito dressing on the side so guests can add a little tiny bit of the dressing onto the fruit salad before they enjoy. It is all quite fabulous. Better yet, it tastes so delicious. This is very good. Oh, I love it. And I feel healthier already having eaten it. You'll find out the same thing when you make it at home. Until next time, I'm Nick Manojlovic. We'll see you again. Healthy fruit salad.